Hello everyone, I hope you are well and fine by the grace of Allah. So at the time I have come, you can see this is farm and farm of hen, golden hen. So you can see, and this is a new farm. Already this farm is being made at the time. So I'm very happy and excited to come here. So when I saw this farm, so I thought I will make video. So at the time I am making video in this farm. So please, if you like this farm and if you like this my channel, so please subscribe now. And if I mistake any word or any sentence, please don't mind and please teach me and help me, then I will improve in English, inshallah. So bye, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.